how to add a custom domain in Vercel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this. Pretty simple. First off, you need to, of course, navigate to your account on Vercel. So if you don't already have one, just create one. It's very easy and free. Then, guys, you just, from your dashboard, choose which kind of project you wish to add that custom domain to. Say I will choose this one. And in here, guys, as you can see, we have the settings for our current project. And as you can see, the status is ready. So in here, you just choose domains. And this is going to be our page where you add a domain. So if you wish to add a custom domain, you can do that by adding a domain, or you can just buy one from the Vercel itself. It's up to you. Then press on add a domain. And if you have a custom address that you can use of a certain domain that you wish to add to here in Vercel, you can just pretty much paste it in here like this. Choose to which environment you wish to add it, and then also press on save. You can also redirect to another domain. As you can see, it can be temporary. As you can see, you can just choose the option or just connect it like this. Press on save, and then your custom domain is easily connected. Guys, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to support us with like and subscribing.